There are about 300,000 species of flies on the planet, and almost all human beings are distrustful of them, and large flies can be frightening at all. In addition, of all insects, it is one of the most annoying. These two-winged flies have been proven to carry dangerous diseases, and some of them bite and suck blood painfully. Most flies are small, but in our review, let's look at the largest members of the order of two flies and find out what the biggest fly on our planet is. Let's describe our record holders from the smallest to the largest. 10. Hippobot equiner. In the photo is a large horse bloodsucker fly. The habitat is quite wide. They have settled in Europe, Asian countries, Africa. In Russia, they can be found in the southern regions. Adults reach a body length of about 0.30 inches. There are two developed wings on the massive body with a rounded thorax. After attacking their prey, they drop their wings, so only the young can fly. The life cycle is no more than 7 months. The victims of these flies are horses and cattle. The large yellow flies hang motionless under the tail, on the belly of animals, sucking blood, thus causing them great distress. 9. Common green scavenger. The species name vividly characterizes the way of life of these two flies. The flies instantly find dead flesh, laying their eggs in it. This is also where the larvae develop, contributing to decomposition. They do not grow taller than 0.40 inches, and their body color has a distinctive green with a golden hue. Described in Homer's Iliad, where scavengers were instantly attacked by warriors killed on the battlefield. Widely used in forensics to determine the time of death, as well as in medicine. During World War I they were used to disinfect wounds. 8. The great dung fly. Dung flies belong to the family Scatophagidae. They are confused by many with the green fallow flies. Dung flies have a red coloration and grow to just over 0.60 inches. The entire body is covered with a reddish tuft resembling a kind of fur. The head has huge red eyes compared to the proportions of the body, above which you can see two antennae tendrils. They are distributed practically all over the planet. Zoologists count more than 250 species of dung beetles. They are predators that enjoy eating insects, including other species of flies. They clamp their prey with their paws and break them apart with their powerful jaws. 7. Gadfly. Flies, somewhat similar in appearance to bees and bumblebees, grow up to 0.98 inches. They are synanthropic two-winged insects, found in large numbers near human dwellings. In 1781, a species was discovered that attacks humans. It is the only one of more than 170 species of gadflies dangerous to humans. They fly over the expanses of Central America. The bite site swells, allergic reactions begin, and bacteria can cause infection. It is noteworthy, but for a long time gadflies were in the pages of the Guinness Book of Records, as the fastest flying insects. But then scientists disproved that statement. More speedy ones were found. 6. Bullfinch. A large two-winged insect in the gadfly family, reaching a body length of up to 1.06 inches. Widely dispersed in Africa, Europe, Asia. Prefer to stay close to pastures, populations occur in forests. The body has a dark brown coloration with black stripes on all segments. Huge facete eyes shimmer in different colors. Males are not bloodthirsty, feeding solely on flower nectar, but females, to continue offspring, drink the blood of animals. The bite is quite painful. Females lay eggs on leaves near bodies of water. One clutch may contain up to 1,000 eggs. 5. The great grey horsefly. Another blood-sucking large fly, which can reach a body length of 1.18 inches. But the average size of this species of gadfly is 0.63 to 0.90 inches. The area of dispersal is the countries of Europe, the northern part of the African continent, Southeast Asia. A small population is found in one of the states of India. It is the most numerous species of horseflies, actively sucking the blood of animals. Female bloodsuckers warm their eggs in this way and lay them on the 7th day after drinking blood. Humans are rarely bitten, but their danger lies elsewhere. They are carriers of deadly diseases, among them tularemia. 4. Tabernace Crossuras. In the English-speaking world, gadflies are called gadfly, but in the post-Soviet space they are known as gadflies or horseflies. The largest among gadflies is considered to be Tabernace Crossuras. Its size ranges from 1.18 to 1.57 inches. The coloration is faded, but sometimes the back part can have bright stripes, which makes it look like a wasp. Has large eyes and powerful wings. During the mating season, females stay in flocks, feeding all together. Interestingly, but every year gadflies mate in one particular place. Even in ancient Russia they were called gadflies because during blood-sucking the insects lose their vision and they can be easily removed from the body. 3. Champion Acanthera. These large members of the Diptera family can be found in rainforests from Argentina to Mexico. These large flies grow up to 1.77 inches in length. They are similar in appearance to lionflies. Body coloration can be black, reddish, but always with longitudinal stripes. Huge eyes occupy almost the entire area of the head. In females the eyes are separated by a small forehead, but in males they are close together. Entomologists distinguish 20 species of these huge flies, united in 2 genera. Their diet consists mainly of leguminous plants, and their larvae develop in tree trunks. 2. Pincher. This predator of the short-eared suborder has spread to all continents except cold Antarctica. Their coloration as well as body size varies. It all depends on the habitat. In temperate climates, they grow to 1.97 inches in length, but in the subtropics you can meet the giants of this species with a body length of up to 3.15 inches. They are excellent flyers, capturing their victims right off the bat. Their diet includes many types of invertebrates, both flying and crawling. Body structure resembles a dragonfly, but there are subspecies that have flattened rather than elongated body. Can rotate the head 180 degrees, and the head has additional sensory organs. 1. Gourmeters Heroes. This fly of the subfamily Mydidae lives in the forests of South America and is currently the largest fly known to science. The new species was discovered by German entomologist Maximilian Pert in 1833. Just imagine, but it grows to 2.36 inches in length, but there have been even larger specimens. They also have the largest wingspan up to 3.94 inches. They have a massive body with black coloration. They feed on flower nectar, and the larvae develop in leaf miner ants. As they mature, the Gourmeters Heroes larvae eat the larvae of ants. Scientists still know little about the biology of this species, but they have already discovered that females, unlike males, can do quite well without food. Despite the negative attitude of humans to flies, they have discovered a rare ability to expel disease cells from their bodies. Perhaps, in the future, this will help pharmacists create drugs that can defeat dangerous diseases. For example, nomadic peoples of the steppes used flies and their larvae to clean wounds, and in ancient Egypt they were a symbol of courage and boldness. Filmmakers have even made a movie about flies, albeit a fantastic one. Please write in the comments how big flies you have met in your life. If you have an interesting story related to flies, share it with our readers in the comments.